Hi guys, this is Caitlin, aka Madness Nellert here. So, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial with my Colourpop Blue Moon palette. So, my last video, my comments were disabled. I'm not sure what happens because sometimes YouTube just does that to me anyways. I kind of explained it in my last video. But anyways, I'm gonna recreate the same look I pretty much did. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe below and follow my social medias. They're all linked down below. So I'm gonna do all my face makeup and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I am back. I'm gonna grab these brushes too just in case. So I'm gonna put a transition shade in today because I feel like that would help them blend out better. So, like my last tutorial, I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills single eyeshadow. This is in the shade Orange Soda. It's this matte one right there. By the way, these are super pretty shimmers, and I should definitely use them. So I'm just going to pop that right up there. It's very pigmented. And just one more. And then this is with a round crease brush. I rubbed off the number, so I do not know which number it is, but it is in the BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz set. So, I found out that a shader brush is like a packing brush, so good to know. So, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics number 10 brush, and they're festival set, and I'm going to take our little Blue Moon palette right here. I did take off the mirror in this one, so that's what it looks like if you have not seen it before. I don't remember it from my last video. So we are going to dip into Starry-Eyed today. Alright, so I'm gonna just dip in there. Very pretty sky blue color. And I'm just going to put that in my crease, so it might take a while to build up because this is a blending brush and not a round crease brush. My round crease brush I use for like when I do green looks, so that's why I'm using a blending brush today, like English. Alright. So we're just gonna build that up, and then the nice thing about putting a color in your crease with a blending brush is that you're pretty much blending it into that orange soda shade that we just put. I think I missed a spot, like right there. Alright, and then I'm gonna go into Double D right there with the same brush. So it's a slightly purpler shade, like an indigo I want to say. Or not an indigo, kind of a bluish purple shade. I think that might be indigo. I don't know. Haven't taken an art class in a while. I know my skin is super oily right now. So, yeah. Because I have a Tony Moly haul that I'm gonna do for one of my next videos. And I'm just blending that out. I think that looks good. So then I'm gonna take our shading brush, which is the BH Cosmetics number 6 brush. It looks like that. And I'm going to dip into Moonlight right there. Sorry, I'm blending you guys. Moonlight. And yeah, so let's dip into there. Alright. I don't know how I feel. Let's just take my Anastasia A16 brush and do that instead. There, I think that worked a lot better, and then I'm gonna try to get into my inner corner as much as I can. Looks pretty good. So then I'm gonna take another blending brush. Let's take my Betty Boop and Ipsy one, and I'm just going to blend between my crease shades and my lid shades. And then I'm only gonna dip into Starry Eyed and Double D like once, and we're gonna rebuild those shades a little bit. So I feel like they got blended out. So I think they look good, and then I'm just gonna blend those out a little bit. Sorry, I keep looking into this mirror. Should be looking into the camera. Alright. And then I'm going to go in once again with Moonlight just to differentiate the colors, because they do kind of look similar on the lid. Also, I do not have contacts in right now, so I'm a little blinded right now. But that's okay. That looks very pretty. Alright, so I'm going to take a little pencil smudging brush, like smoky eye brush, and we're gonna dig into include in right there. And we're going to put that on my outer corner. So, kind of going like in a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do is kind of make a shape. You can also use a pointed brush for this, which I do have one, and I probably should have used that, but it's okay. Yeah, I've had this brush forever, so this is what I used to put like shadows onto my lids with, which I still do sometimes. I think that looks pretty good, so I'm gonna take that Betty Boop brush again, just because it doesn't have much product on it, and I'm going to blend that out so it doesn't look splotchy or unblended. And then what you can do is take the remainder of that blue shadow and you can drag it all the way if you want, or just halfway to kind of create depth in your crease, and you can blend that out too. But don't put, like, use what was left over on the brush from like where you put the shades. I'm just gonna go over it again, just to make sure there's something there and I didn't blend it away. Although these shades are really great because I don't think they blend away at all. And then you can overlap that. And then let's blend out. I think that's looking pretty good. So what I'm gonna do next is I am going to take, I gotta find my little brush for this. Oops, my other brushes are falling over. Sorry guys. Aha, there she is. We're gonna take the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush in their rose quartz set. And we're gonna take the shade Lumi. It's a very pretty duochrome shade. Oh, I don't know what shadows in here. Sorry. Oh, and then I used most of my normal products except for my primer today. I used the Urban Decay Hanover primer. And then I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlight. It's like powder highlight because I'm obsessed with it, and it's a lot more controlled today. Also, I did not go ham. And then actually, this might ruin the look, but I'm gonna go in with a number 11 brush in the festival set and kind of get my inner corner up here. I'm making sure not to go into Lumi just in case I couldn't get it with my my big Anastasia brush. Alright, so today I'm actually going to also use the Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara, and then I'm either going to use my Sephora felt tip liner again or my Tarte Sex Kitten one. So I'll let you know which one I used, and I will be right back to do the other half camera. Alright guys, so I used my Anastasia Moon Child on my nose as well as under my brows for my highlights. So I used the shade Blue Ice because I thought it was similar to the shade Frostbite, which is the loose powder foundation on my cheeks and my lip, and my Cupid's bow. Then I used my mini Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara, and then I used my Sephora Fine Line Felt Liner. It's a felt tip, and then I sprayed that with my Ulta Beauty Dewy Setting Spray. Oh my gosh, I can't English. And then, because this is a blue look, I'm going to add a nude lip today. So this is the Odessa New York All Day Lip Cream in the shade Thames Street. So, alright, I think that looks pretty good. So, I'm going to set my face once again. Alright, I think that this is looking good. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a blue heart emoji if you watched all the way through. Alright, goodbye guys.